Hey there, and welcome back to Daily Speak. I'm Alex, and today we're going to practice a full day in English. From the moment you wake up, all the way to bedtime. Here's how it works. I'll say a sentence. You repeat it after me, out loud. These are real sentences you can use every single day. Don't worry about being perfect. Just speak. Find a quiet place and let's begin. Listen and repeat after me. Morning. Let's start with the morning. Repeat after me. I wake up at 7. I wake up at 7. I turn off my alarm. I turn off my alarm. I get out of bed. I get out of bed. I stretch my arms. I stretch my arms. I go to the bathroom. I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I wash my face. I take a quick shower. I take a quick shower. I get dressed. I get dressed. I make some coffee. I make some coffee. Great job! Let's keep going. I eat my breakfast. I eat my breakfast. I check my phone. I check my phone. I read the news. I read the news. I pack my bag. I pack my bag. I put on my shoes. I put on my shoes. I lock the door. I lock the door. I leave the house. I leave the house. Wonderful! Going to work. Now, going to work. Repeat after me. I walk to the bus stop. I walk to the bus stop. I wait for the bus. I wait for the bus. I get on the bus. I get on the bus. I listen to music. I listen to music. I get off at my stop. I get off at my stop. I arrive at work. I arrive at work. I say good morning to everyone. I say good morning to everyone. Excellent. At work. Now, at work. Repeat after me. I turn on my computer. I turn on my computer. I check my emails. I check my emails. I have a meeting at 10. I have a meeting at 10. I take notes. I take notes. I make a few phone calls. I make a few phone calls. I take a coffee break. I take a coffee break. I finish my tasks. I finish my tasks. Great work! Lunch. Now, lunchtime. Repeat after me. I'm getting hungry. I'm getting hungry. Let's grab some lunch. Let's grab some lunch. I order a sandwich. I order a sandwich. This tastes really good. This tastes really good. I chat with my coworkers. I chat with my coworkers. I go back to work. I go back to work. Beautiful. Afternoon/going home. Now the afternoon. Repeat after me. I feel a little tired. I feel a little tired. I drink some water. I drink some water. I finish my last task. I finish my last task. It's time to go home. It's time to go home. I say goodbye to everyone. I say goodbye to everyone. I head to the bus stop. I head to the bus stop. I finally get home. I finally get home. Fantastic. Evening. Now, the evening. Repeat after me. I take off my shoes. I take off my shoes. I change my clothes. I change my clothes. I relax on the couch. I relax on the couch. I cook some dinner. I cook some dinner. I eat with my family. I eat with my family. I wash the dishes. I wash the dishes. I watch some TV. I watch some TV. I call a friend. I call a friend. Amazing. Night/bedtime. Now, bedtime. Repeat after me. I'm getting sleepy. I'm getting sleepy. I brush my teeth again. I brush my teeth again. I set my alarm. I set my alarm. I turn off the lights. I turn off the lights. I get into bed. I get into bed. I read a little. I read a little. I close my eyes. I close my eyes. Good night. Good night. Wonderful work. Outro. Wow! You did such a great job today. You just practiced a full day in English, from morning to night. I'm really proud of you. Remember, try to describe your own day in English. When you wake up, say, I wake up. When you eat, say, I'm eating breakfast. This simple habit will make you fluent faster. Here's your homework. In the comments below, write one thing you do every morning in English. I read every single comment. If this helped you, please give it a like and subscribe to Daily Speak for more speaking practice. I'm Alex. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.